Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a cute hippopotamus? Well, let's get started. These are the colors that I will be using, but you can use whatever colors you like. They have really big heads, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an arch shape, just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna draw another line going this way, curved line, and we're gonna bring it around this way as well. And we're gonna join it, but we're almost gonna lift the line up and down, and then we're gonna match it with the line here, okay? So now with the tiny ears, we're gonna draw another little arch on both sides, okay? And then for the nose, we're going to draw 2 circles. All right, and now the bottom part, we're going to draw another arch just like that. Sort of like it has a mask on. Okay, so I'm going to use my little thin Sharpie for the teeth. So one line down, across, and up. And then again here, one line down, across and up, okay? And for the eyes, circle and another circle, small, and you can just shade it in just like that, okay? And the ear, you can do another little loop inside the ear. So for the body, we're gonna draw a line across just like that, and we're gonna bring it down, okay? So they have short legs, okay? So I'm gonna just draw one line across here. I'm gonna go all the way across, just like that. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw another line down and another line down and then across to join it, okay? And we're going to draw another arch line just like that to join the body, okay? So for the other leg, we're going to draw a line down, across, and we're going to bring it up, okay? And we need one more. So one line down, across, and then back up. For the little toes, so I'm using my thin Sharpie, and you can just do little arches, just like that. Okay, for each foot here, all the way across. And then the other one. Okay, now they also have small tails. So I'm just going to draw a line down, and then I'm just going to bring it up. And they come in shades of grayish to brownish skin, and then at the bottom underneath it's like a pale pink. So I'll just start off with a brown color, and I'm just going to blend it in afterwards. So they're the 3rd largest mammals on Earth. And there's 2 species. Hippos can measure 6 to 16 feet long, and the smaller species of hippos average of 5 feet long. They can hold their breath for an average 5 minutes underwater. So they like to stay under the water, okay? And in fact, they sleep underwater. They spend about 16 hours a day in the water. So they're herbivores. They eat plants, lots of plants, average 80 pounds of grass each night. Okay, and now they produce their own sunblock. Okay, so they live in the sub-Saharan Africa, so the UV rays are very strong there. but they're able to produce a red oily liquid that acts as a natural sunblock. They make interesting sounds like groans, grunts, and squeals. Okay, and they can run faster and walk farther given their short, stubby legs. They're quite fast. Okay, so I'm just going around it with brown here now, around the face. Okay, and I'm just going to blend in different shades of brown as well. Now, when they sleep in the water, they surface automatically and breathe without waking up. But they can't survive for long out of the water because their skin is sensitive to the sunlight. Okay. All right, so because they also come in shades of gray, I'm also going to just color in a little bit of gray. And I'm going to use pink as well. This is a pale pink color. Now, there's a popular song, I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, and that's usually played during Christmas. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll, no dinky tinker toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. All right, so I'm still just going around our hippo. And I have a really cute joke to share with you before I go. And it goes like this. What's a hippo's favorite kind of music? Hip hop! Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.